Hello friends, good afternoon. Today I am going to explore Odoo19 landed cost with a unique business case where we first pass the landed cost and how Odoo is settling down that landed cost if some items are already delivered, and then we realize whatever the landed cost I passed is wrong. So let's do step by step. First of all, whatever configuration we need, that is inside our inventory, I have enabled perpetual and average costing, and mind it, like this case is working best when average cost method is there, no FIFO. Okay, so I'm keeping average cost for this particular case, and then I have created products, different products right now, like test P1, test P2, test P3, as well as custom duty and freight charges as a landed cost product. And I have choose default split method as by current cost to generate this scenario. Now what happens in my accounting, I have kept a very neutral and fresh database. There is nothing right now inside it. I will simply purchase my goods from vendor and then add few of the products which I want to run this case with. Let's say 10 units at 10, then 10 units at 20, and 10 units at 30. So this is my purchase order. I confirm the purchase order and I simply receive this, and I am going to book my bill also. At the time of booking my bill, Odoo will register my inventory due to perpetual method. And now if we go and look at our balance sheet, we can see raw material, inventory, count and balance. Like this balance is worth 600 AED, worth $100, 180, 280 and 300 AED each based on my purchase. Now what happens is, if you generate a sales order before even applying your landed cost. So I am selling this particular item like test P1, 1 unit to my customer, and then I am making a delivery also, and I am creating the final invoice to book my cost of goods sold. So everything looks perfect because I have done my selling and delivery also. So 10 AED worth of test product 1 will reduce from my inventory, and in my P&L I will book my sales worth 100 AED in my sales order, and then this cost of revenue will be booked right now as a part of my cost of revenue account. Everything seems perfect. Now what happens? You will receive a bill from your vendor about your landed cost, and then you will book that bill with transportation vendor, and you book custom duty. Over here I will change the account to my customs, and then I will book, let's say 50 AED for my custom duty, and then freight charges. So freight charges I will require to book in another account, and this particular bill will be created keeping in mind this two expense account will hit, and I will generate my landed cost. Over here I will change the account to customs as well as freight, which I originally used over there, and then I will connect my inward and I will compute. So based on these particular quantities, my cost will be adjusted over here. But in reality, 1 unit is already gone out. Okay, so keep this in mind. Like for test P1, I don't have 10 on hand right now. I only have this. Okay, so if I even add this and compute, then you can see it will create the impact of my outgoing charge also for that. But I will not connect this right now, and I will simply say valuation adjustment for all three product against custom duty and freight charges. Now, so before I book, let's open our balance sheet, and over here everything seems perfect. And then let me book and validate this landed cost right away. So valuation adjustment will be booked now over here, and then in my balance sheet we will see the impact over here. So you can see test P1, P2 and P3, all the landed cost application has been increased and debited over here. And in my P&L, I can see custom and freight charges are booked over here, but not 50. It has only booked 49.17. Why? Because I already delivered 1 unit out of this. And in my balance sheet also, when I check, now you can see those 50 plus 50, 100. Now you can see it is booked over here like 25 plus 16 plus 7, which is not exactly 100. If I calculate over here, then 25 plus 20, 16.67 plus 7.5, 49.17 only it has booked, because 1 unit is already delivered and cost of goods sold was passed at 10 previously. So over here the system Odoo has automatically registered whatever left in my hand and adjusted the landed cost. But it will not impact much on your product costing, because product costing now you can see updated with 11.67, 23.33 and 35 respectively based on the revised landed cost. Now what happens? Now you realize this landed cost was passed wrong, correct? But before that, even you are making another sales order and you are delivering another item. So I'm booking one more, and let's say I'm delivering one more unit of test P1 and also validating it and then generating my invoice. So based on this, my cost of new goods sold is 11.67, which is booked over here, and I can see the reflection in my balance sheet. So now one more unit has gone after applying my new landed cost. This is what happened. So everything seems perfect according to the standard new Odoo19 functionality. If I run my inventory valuation, everything seems perfect because nothing is missed out right now. Now what happened? You realize like your previous landed cost was wrong. So you go and you want to correct that landed cost. So you go over here. Now it was 50 plus 50, 80 was there. And now you want to reverse it. So you just create a duplicate and then make a negative costing over here and compute. So based on that, I need to connect my inward also and compute, and then it will exactly reverse all the previous landed cost. And then we will see the impact on our product also, because product earlier was valued 11.67 and now I am reversing all my landed cost. As soon as I pass it and I am coming back over here, system will come back to the original 1080 cost which we had. And now to see the impact in your accounting balance sheet, we can see that all the landed cost was adjusted up to the available unit on hand, not 7.50, but it is 6.66 and respective both, because P2, test P2 and test P3 I have never sold. But yeah, this I have sold from 8.33 to 7.5 and 7.5 to 6.63. It has adjusted. And then the same thing I can see in my profit and loss. where 0.84 was the difference which was booked earlier between these two, and then it remains as a expense over here because I have already sold those items and I have already paid custom and freight over there. So having said that, now everything is working perfectly in Odoo, where you can analyze your different landed cost methodology, your correct landed cost passing, as well as if you make some mistake, you can reverse it and Odoo will capture the correct landed cost and reverse your stock valuation also over there. But yeah, journal entry will remain as it is with respect to our chart of accounts, and your information will be intact over here in Odoo 19. So if you come across to any such use cases or any difficulty, please reach out to us at techvaria.com or my LinkedIn or YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye.